1971. These cars are pretty powerful, very lightweight, so your power to weight ratio is quite significant here, and doing an awesome job there. Closely followed there by the Honda Civic Type R, front wheel drive, bit of wheel spin off the line there. Very high tech vehicle. The current leader of the challenge class, Phil Peake in his BMW M3. Magnificently prepared vehicle this. Left hand drive. Speaking to Phil down in Bunbury, he said he loves the racing component. He used to be form part of the pit crew, form part of the team that helped out the Triumph TR7. That's you see later. But he's wanting into racing, so he got something a bit enough. Start racing, good on him. He's a super nice guy. I remember of our elite police force here today. He's actually pointing radar guns at cars. No, I don't think he's going to find them, so don't worry about that. Particularly the GTR35 for the Lamborghini. I'd love to know how fast the Lamborghini would go on the